Hi Capricorns, welcome back to my channel. Essential Speaks Messages, Gypsy Wish Tarot, sending you love all the way from India. Follow me on Instagram, SSHELLS, Essentials Running. Let's start with your reading, okay? And this is going to be right from 3rd May till 9th May 2021. No timeless, okay? I'm hearing out that faster the better, okay? So this may be your energy flow in this time frame, that the faster you do something or whatever your situation is, it's going to be better for you, okay? Basically, it's going to be better for you. That's what the energy flow is. I feel like this may be certain expression because there is something that's happening in your life and it's positive. But if you are going to delay something, you're going to lose out on the opportunity, or if you're going to skip it and you may think that I may attend it later, then again, it's going to be the lose out, okay? So this is something, the faster the better. I don't know what it is, because it's giving me that energy, it's positive. We're having the sun energy, so there may be a Leo, and it's also telling me it's like something that might be happening in your life connected with the end, the beginning. It's happening side by, something is happening, okay? It's going to be very quick. I feel that kind of energy, like the end, the beginning, okay? If that makes sense. Especially with the sun card, it's like you're moving forward for better things. It's like so huge, like there's a child here, so it's going to be the birth, it's going to be hope. This is something, confession or surrendering, okay? Especially about the feelings and everything. This may be birth of child as well, so possible it's better the faster. Faster the better, I'm sorry, faster the better. Something is going to happen here. We have the Lovers, so maybe it's about the end, the start, or maybe it's about, okay, we cannot, and then amending, and then reunion, because you also have Two of Cups energy. Interesting. And also have Ace of Cups energy. To be quick is going to be very, very beautiful plan in your life right now, the energy. So maybe expression, maybe reunion, maybe union. Commencing something here. Eight of Wands energy is going to be very quick, okay? I feel the energy is calling me to tell you that the wait is over, and it's like you waited a lot, okay, or whatever it is. Look, 10 of Cups. Love. It's just not about self, it's about being together. I see a family here for you, or it's like being together with the family, okay? It's also saying that some of you are thinking a lot and it's too much in the head. So with the Eight of Swords energy, I feel it's trying to say that don't keep that in mind, or don't keep that a lot of stuff in head. Manifest it. Okay? Manifest it. Something is waiting big and you're not seeing that. It's like you might be feeling like I'm stuck here, but you're not. This energy is telling me something. Okay, some of you might be feeling that I'm stuck. No. I also feel like they are waiting on the other side. If it's about the other person, and if it is about reunion, I feel like just one step is going to be good. Someone will drop the guards down here. Four of Swords energy. I also see birth, so maybe someone is pregnant here. I don't know. It's the lock is opening kind of energy. The blockage is opening kind of energy. For Capricorns, I'm seeing that. Faster the better. Okay? Faster the better, you're going to manifest happiness. The energy, the birth. It's also something telling me it's time. So maybe it's about birth time. So it's about arrangements. I see arrangements here for some of you. Breaking free, talking. If you are in Hall, then Four of Swords, it's time. It's time to come out and talk, to express. It's going to be better for you. That's it. Look, it's going to be faster the better. Five of Wands energy. Just do the arrangement, just seclude yourself, talk it out. It's expression. It's time to remove everything that is here. It's like a certain conflicting situation, or something that you disagree or they disagree. You need to chalk a plan out to rejuvenate your relationship here, to remove that disagreement. For many of you, it's like to win over someone, okay, or to win over again. Because as I said, there was Ace of Cups, there was Two of Cups energy. With this Five of Wands energy, it's important to break free from that. This may be a challenge or a competition, and you need to come out of that. you may have the situation of like who will win. So maybe there is a competition. There may be a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy. You might be dealing. In this way, this may be something that you are in disagreement with this person. Possible. Are they thinking? Yes, they're thinking. For some cases, just a tiny, a lie. The lie is a lie, okay, to be honest. But it's a tiny thing that someone was hiding from someone, and that created this issue for some cases. It's about the relationship, Four of Wands, or the connection, or 1111, Four of Wands energy. It's about stability. Okay. The Empress. I heard it's about the now. It's about taking control of the situation, holding, support, boost, morale, whatever it is. It's like someone who is very important, the Empress. This may be mother of your child. This may be you as mother. This may be about to give birth. As I said, birth time, son. Arrangement. Do it as soon as possible. There's a celebration in your family. There's a birth. There's someone who is. It's like it's going to be the time, and faster the better, quicker the better. Someone over here is struggling. Okay, so if this is not a communication struggle or any issue, then this is something else. They need you, or you need them. It's time. They're going to win this situation. They're going to win this battle. They're going to win this heavy thing, okay? And then there's going to be birth. So, birth of a birth, child, or birth of a relationship. Look, if you want to know that are they ready? Yes, they're ready. They're just on the other side. It's just that even if they have the wall kind of, it's not that they don't want to talk. No, I don't feel that. It's just in head. They want you to express, or however it goes, vice versa. Are they thinking about relationship? Yes. Are they thinking about home? Yes. Do they have issues with you? Yes. But that doesn't mean that they don't want it to resolve it. They want it. I'm telling you, whatever is happening, the faster you will be, the quicker the decision is, and the better the decision is going to be. You have the Lovers. Be wise, be right, be quick, come together, union, harmony, and you have also this Two of Cups. Reunion, coming together, celebrating, being together, which is what I feel they want, or which is what you want. Both of your energy is like, yeah, a little bit conflicting, but that doesn't mean that if we disagree, we need to be away. We need to stay away. No, it's not important. No, it's not. I heard that please be by side. So maybe they're saying please be by my side. All they need to do, all that you need to do. I'm sorry. Okay. Look, it's your time. You have a King of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy, and it's your wife, Capricorn. With the Wheel of Fortune, with the Wheel of the Year, I feel someone does want you to be with them. It's the right time. It's going to be the right time. Eight of Cups, look, someone is away, emotionally possible, feeling like that. This may be mood swings. Whatever is happening is the person who is not going through that mood swing, they need to support the other. That's what partnership is. That's what love is. And I feel like it's coming. It's like... it's like giving someone calm ambience. It's like... okay, soothe them, like calm them. I feel this is the demand of the time. However and whatever the situation is in your life right now, someone is seeking that beautiful gesture from you and the support, okay? Someone who is feeling emotionally drowned here. And everything is going to be okay. If you unite, if you harmonize things here, nothing is impossible. Remember that. Someone is seeking that security of emotions, I feel. You or this person. And when we talk about couples, we talk about partnerships. It's about both. Okay, people who love one another truly, no, they won't go anywhere. But I'm talking about true loves, true things. I'm not talking about the drama. I'm not talking about the flirt they do, okay? This is about family. This is about being a mother or a father here, energy. This is about so much concern. I see there's a lot of concern for someone. You hold or they hold. I feel like this is your energy. You are so much concerned about them. The one you love, the one you care. And it actually never bothers you that you people go through these arguments, because they are like minimum. They happen for a while, but all is like a life ahead. I feel for many of you, seasons will change, or the season will change. 10 of Cups energy. It's like a better planning. It's going to be the time. Okay, there's some curiosity that's going to open up in your life. Page of Swords energy. Maybe an Aquarius in particular, or a Gemini, Libra. But I feel with this, you also have Queen of Swords energy. There's going to be a same moment. There's going to be curiosity. There's going to be opening up of the matter. There's going to be someone who's going to take stand for someone. It's like, I need to talk, okay? Listen to me. We need to. Some of you have a big family here. Big family in a way of like having children, 2 to 3 children already, and there's also new birth. Or maybe you have children, 2 to 3, or 3 children exact, and then again you have a family and you are just visualizing that happiness, leaving behind all that 5 of Wands. Like, you people are, you talk, you argue, but you for a while you have a pause, and then you come back together to make a bond strong. That this is the energy I see for you guys. I don't see like, oh my god, I'm walking away. No. Yes, it's like if one person is getting affected emotionally, the other is like watching. It's like uneasy energy. Do you get it? It's like you won't let your partner sleep when they are in tears. At least that's what energy I'm picking. It's like someone who's, they're uneasy if they are out. They're uneasy. The other person is uneasy because they are concerned, because they love the other energy. They love other person. Okay, fine, it's done. Listen to me. That kind of energy I'm picking. Let me see from. Union with a smile, positive ambience. Union. Don't worry. If there are some issues, they're just coming from your like overall energy, or coming from your past energy. It's like, I feel like going descending, but it's an ascension. While you're going down, you are ascending. Like it's in your future, okay? So it's like the clouds, and it's going to rain, okay, with this union. Clouds is like whatever is in little bit of clouds, because I don't see heavy clouds. It's a little bit of tiny things, sorry for that. And it's going to be out when this union will happen. And I'm very happy because clouds, it's something coming to see clear, okay, something that you're seeing clear. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. Interesting. Mirror. You people mirror one another. Love story and time to believe. I love it. I love this energy. Okay, let's wind up. I'm having hiccups. Sorry guys, there's a grounding coming. Tree, grounding for our love, for our family, for our relationship. Oh my god, how can we just, look, you have again clouds here. How can we just shape shift, okay? Or after shapes are shifting or adjusting, and then again it's like a, clouds are just like this. Our relationship is just like this. It's shifting, but then we are going to get back in union. Nurturing. Someone is too much nurturing here. There's a power, there's a lightning. Oh, after the struck together, after this elimination, awakening, getting back together, the power in the relationship. I feel like love coming more strong here after the lightning, okay, after this power struggle or whatever this is. Emergence, dragonfly, it's a buzz, not a bee buzz, but it's a buzz. Something is hovering, okay, it's a bird, it's something beautiful. Emergence, it's coming on top, it's beauty, it's right water, right emotions at the right place. Okay, take care, I love you, see you soon, bye.